Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdus Samad, biology teacher at PMS Hayatabad. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, Bioenergetics. So let's move. Bioenergetics. In the first we will discuss the naming. It is composed of two words, bio which means life and energetics which means the study of transfer of energy. So bioenergetics basically is the study of transfer of energy in organism. Each living cell needs energy to keep itself living and perform different cellular functions. Like for example, energy is needed for the growth. There is energy is needed for the cell division. So this basically is the need of energy for the organisms. Organisms do need energy, and this energy is transferred from one organism to other organism in one form or another form. So that actually is bioenergetics. Next topic is sun as ultimate source of energy. So sun is the ultimate source of energy for all organisms. We know that the major energy comes from sun to the planet earth, and all organisms depend on sun directly or indirectly. Some organisms depend directly on sun called autotrophs, in which some organisms directly utilize the sun energy and convert it into food and chemical energy, that are autotrophs, and some depends indirectly on sun. They are known as heterotrophs. The flow of energy is shown as the energy comes from the sun is stored and captured by autotrophs, which is then transferred to the heterotrophs animals. Then photosynthesis and respiration. Autotrophs capture solar energy and convert it into chemical energy by photosynthesis. So we know that autotrophs capture the solar energy directly. They depend directly on the sun energy. So they capture the solar energy and they then convert that energy into chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. Then this stored chemical energy is converted into heat and mechanical energy by the process of respiration. So and the second process is respiration. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which photosynthetic autotrophs prepare their food from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It is a process by which photosynthetic autotrophs, those organisms which prepare their food from the sunlight, they prepare their food from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So this process is known as photosynthesis. The next process is respiration. It is the process by which organisms break down the stored food molecule and energy is released. So basically respiration is an energy releasing process in which the energy is released by the organism by breaking down the food molecules. Next is redox reactions. Photosynthesis and respiration are basically oxidation reduction reactions. They basically are reactions, coupled reaction, which are known as oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation is the loss of hydrogen or electron. The first step or the first type is oxidation, in which in any reaction hydrogen or electron is lost. That is known as oxidation. The next is reduction. In the reduction, gain of hydrogen or electron occurs. The second process in which in any reaction hydrogen is either gained or either electrons are gained. So that is reduction. And these reactions are collectively known as oxidation reduction reactions or redox reaction. So that's all, students.